Welcome, wonderful Emerson students. This short video will be a recap of dividing a fraction by a fraction. Miss Reynoso, that's me, will be your host for this fine event. One thing I really want you to remember while we practice this video is that you are a math whiz. Have faith in your superpowers and you will do just fine. Now, as we begin, there is a very important question I must ask. Are you prepared? Dun dun dun. Remember, just like in class, your tools are really important to ensure that you will be successful in math. The tools that you will need for this event are a pencil, not a pen. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes, and making mistakes is what we do. We need to write in pencil to make sure that we can erase those mistakes and keep our work organized. A piece of paper or the worksheet that you are working on is fine as well. As long as you are showing your work, you are doing great. Next, you will also need a multiplication chart. This is just an extra tool to help us along while our brains are working on solving tough equations. The last and most important tool you will need is your math whiz brains. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool. Now, this is the problem that we will be working on for this video. I know what you're thinking. What was Miss Reynoso thinking? Was she trying to torture us with math? Was she trying to make us really think hard? Well, fear not, young ones. Wonder Reynoso to the rescue. Ha, get it? In the problem, you must first label the numerator and the denominator. This is how the problem would look once it's labeled. The numerator in pink and the denominator in blue. Now, if you're having trouble remembering what's what, the denominator starts with duh, just like the word down, duh. That means that the word down and denominator sound the same, don't they? That helps me remember that denominator needs to be on the bottom. Next step is to rewrite the problem the long way. All this means is you need to write the problem next to each other. That means 2/3 divided by 1/5. I wonder what the answer will be. Next, you will follow 4 simple steps. 4? That's it? I don't know if Miss Reynoso knows what she's talking about. Let's see. Step 1. Rewrite the numerator right under itself. Seems easy enough. Let's check this out. Let's see. The original numerator was 2/3. When we rewrote it right underneath, it also says 2/3. That wasn't so bad, was it? Step 2 says, change the division to multiplication. It is exactly as simple as step 1. All you're doing is now replacing the division sign with a multiplication sign. Step 3 says, get the reciprocal of the denominator and rewrite it beneath the original. Interesting. Well, look at that. If you remember in class, we spoke about what a reciprocal is. That just means you flip the numbers. What was first in the denominator is now a numerator, and what was a numerator is now a denominator. So once you flip it, you rewrite it. Simple as that. Last but not least, step 4, you multiply across. This just seems too easy, huh? Well, there we go. We're going to be multiplying 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 1 equals 3. Voila! And just like the math whiz that you are, You can now divide a fraction by a fraction. Woohoo! Time to celebrate. You know how I like to celebrate? By working on some more problems so that I can practice and become more of a math whiz. Yeah! Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And remember, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask anytime during the class. See me during nutrition or lunch. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it really helped you remember how we learned in class. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to check out any of the other videos to help you out. Okay? Have a good one. Have fun working on math.